Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening the My Jio app and signing in with your Jio number. This authenticates you to manage SIM services. Once signed in, make sure your Aadhaar-based eKYC is linked. Jio requires verified identity for QR or eSIM issuance. If the app prompts for permissions, allow them so the process can access SMS and network state. Make sure you have a working internet connection. Without it, you cannot request or retrieve the QR code. Once inside Manage SIMs or the eSIM section, select the option to get an eSIM QR or to reissue SIM details. This is where you request the QR code. You will receive an OTP on your Jio number. Enter it to verify control of the line. Then choose your device type and accept the terms. The system queues a QR generation. This step can take a few minutes as Jio validates eKYC and availability, so stay on the confirmation screen until it completes. When the QR appears, download or screenshot it immediately and store it securely. You will use that to activate an eSIM or confirm SIM details. For eSIM activation, open your phone's cellular setup, choose Add Mobile Plan and scan the QR. Your device activates the plan from the code. If the QR fails or never appears, make sure the app is updated, retry OTP verification, restart the phone, and if needed, contact Jio customer support with your number and KYC details.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.